In the pursuit of lean manufacturing, an old habit is holding back your efficiency and budget, using rags for leaks. With poor absorbency, they just spread the mess, create slip hazards, and leave behind a trail of debris. Meet the game changer, professional absorbent solutions. Our pads boast up to 10 to 15 times their weight in absorbency, instantly locking in oils, coolants, and chemicals. And the socks? They're your first line of defense. They create a physical barrier, containing spills at the source to prevent cross-contamination in critical areas like paint shops or assembly lines. The real cost is in disposal. Hazardous waste is billed by weight. Rags are heavy and inefficient, making you pay for waste, not results. Switching to high-performance absorbents can slash your annual waste disposal costs by up to 40 to 60%. This is more than just cleanup, it's an operational upgrade. Lint-free material protects sensitive equipment. Mobile stations ensure rapid response. Reduce slips, minimize environmental risk, and take a strategic step toward standards like 5S management and ISO 14001. Build a safer, more efficient, and professional workspace for your team. Ditch the mess. Embrace efficiency. Upgrade your shop floor absorption today. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.